Right guys, just a quick review video of Affiliate Victory by Brandon Pierce. Now, this is all about advertising on Facebook with one specific type of ad and one very specific type of setup. Now, it is in a case study format. Let me just scroll down and show you some of the results. As you can see, this is from March, very recent. Okay, so this is just the other week. So it's still working. This is from January. Okay, as you can see, it's mainly ClickBank offers that Brandon's promoting. You don't have to use ClickBank, but it is a good place. They have some good niches. Let me dive into the actual training. Here we are. Right, this is a members area. Now, it consists of 4 modules. Module 1, let me just go over the intro. As you can see here, it started on January the 2nd, and it's been earning ever since with this system. Okay, now you're not going to every campaign setup's not you're not going to knock it out of the park with every campaign you set up, but if you follow the training, you will obviously your chances will be a lot greater. Now, let me just. It's very basic on the first module. Basically goes over the offers and the niches. Now this isn't, none of the niches are like make money from home. This is what more Facebook friendly, to put it that way. Facebook, it can be funny with what you promote, so take close attention of what Brandon is actually promoting and the type of offers. One thing you should never ever do with Facebook is make any sort of claims. They're very, very strict on that. Anyway, as I say, let's get back to it. Module 2 is a funnel. Goes through everything very step by step about what you need on all your pages, how to set up your funnel, what pages you actually need, etc. to keep the Facebook gods happy. There to module 3. Now this is obviously you set your funnel up and people are on your list. This is all about what to send them and how to get the most from your emails. Now they do include some tracking. Now this isn't using a third-party tracker, not for your emails. You don't need it. And it just shows you a simple technique so you know which emails are generating the commissions for you. Alright, so then you go to module 4, which is a juicy module. This is all about traffic, as it says there. Now, this is one very specific Facebook ad, and is one specific setup. Okay, it's not complicated. Facebook ads aren't complicated. The hardest bit is knowing is keeping Facebook happy. But actually setting up the ads is easy. Again, goes over tracking, Facebook pixel, very important. Facebook actually takes a while to warm up to your pixel. If you've got a very brand new account, creating a Facebook page, you can create a page in minutes. It's extremely easy to do. Research, it goes over the niche that is for this particular case study, and then you see him create the ad for this niche that he's chosen. Okay, and then it goes over the data. Let me just show you something here. Just a minute.
Okay, so on this,
let me just enlarge this. Right, these are some of the results. Okay, these are the link. How many clicks he's had. Look at the cost per click: 14 cents, 18, 5 cents, 6 cents, 5, 6. So he's getting some very cheap clicks and conversions. He's getting conversions on top of that. So that's very cheap clicks. And then it goes on about scaling. So if you find a winner, it tells you how to scale it. Now, I love the way it's all set out. I love his training. He does put out some good products, and this is one of them. I highly recommend it. Now there are a couple of upsells. The first one is case studies of the show. The case studies, you see some of his niches that he's in, some of his best niches, and you see these ads, ad copy, etc. The second tier is done for you. You get the funnels, done for you funnels, landing pages, the ads, images, everything. Okay, so now I have a bonus. I'm going to give you 20,000 email leads to upload to Facebook. Now, if you buy the front end product through my link, you'll be able to download the 20,000 email leads, and it also comes with how to use these leads, what ads to use because you need to get these leads onto your list. You cannot upload these, can't go to Aweber or GetResponse and just upload these email leads to your list. You will get your account shut down or flagged or whatever. You will be hitting every spam trap there is. So now these leads were generated through solo ads. Okay, these are people who wanted to make money online, and anybody who's known me for a period of time know that I used to sell solo ads, and I have an abundance of these email leads. Okay, so giving you 20,000 to help you out is no biggie to me. Let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, Facebook's being slow. Okay, so I've uploaded some to this account. They come in two. We've got leads 1 and leads 2. So if you buy the front end product, you will get the first lot of leads, which let me just show you. Okay, this is leads 1. If we scroll right down, oops, I'm not able to see that. I'll get that in shot. Scroll down. Oh, don't be too far. There you go. 20,000. Okay, so that's leads 1, and there's obviously 2 like that. So this all together is 40,000. So if you buy the front end, you get the first pack of leads. If you buy one of the upgrades, one of the OTOs, you get 2 packs. So you can essentially have 40,000 leads by buying through my link. Okay, so now what you'll do is come into Facebook and just create an audience, create a custom audience. Okay, and you just click on custom a file and upload the file, and then you can see here I've uploaded leads 1 and leads 2. This leads 40k, both of them put together, and what you'll end up with is 11,000 people you can retarget to, or you can create a lookalike audience. Now these people have opted in; they're interested in make money from home, making extra income, etc. So you can create a lookalike audience. Now that is a big leg up. I've never offered a bonus like this before, and I can't see me offering this again. I know sometimes in other products I've used some of my bonuses again, but not this time. Okay, so this is a one-time deal. So if you get the front end, you'll get the leads 1. Okay, 20,000 leads that you upload to Facebook, plus a video showing you what ads you need to set up and how to do it safely, etc. And if you get one of the OTOs, either OTO 1 or the OTO 2, you'll get the second leads pack as well, so you'll end up with 40,000 leads. Now let me just show you. Okay, so this is all Facebook. These are all top tier countries picked. Let me just show just have the custom audience. Let's have the 40,000, so you can just see the countries. Okay, so as you can see, 8 out of all the top 2 countries, the bulk of the leads are United States. Okay, so that's your bonus. Alright, so if you buy through my link, essentially you'll have you kind of up to 40,000 leads that we should be able to retarget to through Facebook. Now I must stress, you cannot upload these to your autoresponder because that's just plain out spamming. You'll get your account shut down. No matter how many times I want, I can guarantee somebody will try it. It's not worth it. This is here to help you get a bit of a leg up. This is not here. I'm not giving you these so you can spam the crap out of them. Okay, so that's my bonus, and enjoy Brandon's training. Follow it along, and I'm sure you'll get results. The same as Brandon's getting. Okay. Any problems, any questions, just let me know.